Watch out now.
Watch out now.
First gear, nope. Three on the tree, straight. Really? Run it. There you go, stretch. Okay. Jesus. I still think it's trying to go into reverse. I think it's in this linkage.
Yeah, you know, I know sometimes the Maverick can be a handful, you know, trying to get it in the second gear. When I drive it, it's a handful, you know. Sometimes you're getting on the highway and it just kind of grinds the gears. Joe wanted to take it for a drive today, so we went out on the highway, and you know, as you can see, it was it's a tough sell, man. You really gotta grind the gears, you know.
So over the years, it's been my experience with manual transmissions and linkages that the 3 on the tree seems to be the most problematic. There's a reason why that it got phased out. There are too many linkages. My friend Chuck, bless his heart, he seems to think that blipping the throttle is going to fix the linkages. It's not. It's all about finesse. The old man that had this Maverick, bless his heart, if he was still alive, he would drive this thing like it was nothing. He'd just be like, vroom, right in the second gear every time. Now, before the 3 on the tree was still the manual linkage down on the floor, that was a little bit more reliable, but inconvenient, especially for a family car, to which the Maverick was trying to be at the time, an economy/sporty family car. Maybe not so much on the 2-door, but still at the same time. Your options were like the Beetle, or the Chevy Vega, or the Dodge, whatever they had, Dart, Sprinter, I don't remember what, Dodge, what was, who's that? So my point is, Chuck needs to learn a little bit more finessing about the shifter linkage. It's really all in the linkage. I really had fun driving the Maverick today, but the whole grinding thing, it really grinds my gears. Pretty maids all in a row. Watch out now.
Watch out now. This is just all mixed up. Toyota, Nissan.
We're junking it up today, guys.
Guess I'll shoot until my battery dies.
I need to get you set up with one of those portable power cells.
And they ain't gonna be shit. Was that a Geo?
Oh, nice. Haven't seen a tractor in a bit.
Tracker with AC.
I don't think the AC works right now.
Alright, do it again.
Watch out now, Joe's got a torch.
Solder. Why aren't you a professional solderer, Joe?
I just didn't have the temperament for the rules of engagement.